And welcome to this week's Mortgage Minute with Meredith. Today, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about USDA loans and tell you about a closing I had in this past week. So, USDA loans are a great loan product for rural areas of the country. And USDA has a great website that you can go on to. I put it here in this slideshow, but I've also put it in the email to you that shows you the address that you can go in and you just type in the physical address of a property to see if it's USDA eligible. So, to use a USDA loan, one, you have to find an eligible property. Two, your income has to be within the limits of the county you're purchasing in. Most of the Metroplex, the income is $118,200. And they do look at all income for everyone in the household that will reside in this particular property. A 620 FICO score is our minimum FICO score. The biggest component of this is probably the debt to income ratio. USDA has the strictest ratio out there. 29% is the housing ratio, meaning the total housing expense that is being proposed cannot be more than 29% of the gross monthly income, and overall DTI has to be under 41%. The great thing, though, about a USDA loan is it's a zero down payment loan. So you can get in with no down payment. You just have to cover the closing costs. There is a really low monthly mortgage insurance on a USDA loan. It's lower than FHA or conventional. Most recipients of this don't have any reserve requirement. There is no purchase price limit, but you do have to keep within the debt to income ratio and the income issue. And it allows 6% in third-party contributions, like seller concessions. So the example I have a closing last week out in Maybank, Texas. My client bought a $210,000 house, and she negotiated $10,000 in seller concession. She had put $2,150 in earnest and option, and she got almost all of that back at closing. So her total out of pocket to get into a brand new house was $32.11. What a great loan product for a person who doesn't have a whole lot saved up to get into a home, but can get into a home with a great interest rate and low monthly mortgage insurance. I'd love to tell you more about USDA loans, so feel free to reach out anytime if you should have questions. Thank you.